What's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy, Bob. Where am I? I'm in the country of Indonesia. The city of Bali, or Ubud, or Unbud. And right now, I'm about to go into the Campo Lampo Waterfall. So we're gonna do all the events they got in here. Also, I got with me is my brother, my blood brother from another mother, Robbie, from Live More and Live 24.
Live 24 hours.
Live 24 hours. So we're gonna be here all day, enjoying some sites, some different sites throughout Bali. We're gonna be doing some events. So we're gonna do this event for a couple hours, shoot some footage for y'all, show y'all what it's all about. It's a good time and more to follow. So this is your battle buddy Bob. Peace.